Gregory Bills. I am the Operations and Panel Shop Manager for Walker Industrial. We have been in business for 35 years under Walker Engineering, and in the last 5 years we decided to start an industrial division, which then tied us into the industrial landscape and market, as well as the panel building and industrial automation fields. Walker Industrial's investment into the ModCenter 293 system was based on 3 general principles. The first and foremost was safety for the employees. Generally doing knockouts on enclosures or industrial control centers. Sharp edges are there, people would end up with cuts. There's also a danger there of eye injury as well as hinge finger points. The light curtains do not allow any operators to get any way of a danger environment of pinch point or any kind of moving parts or flying debris. There is no operation that will occur while inside the light curtain. Nobody can actually stick their hand in while it's in motion and moving. The second reason for the investment in the machine was the quality of the product that we would put out. Instead of our enclosures having crooked lines or not being able to go point to point center, we actually found that with this, our overall product looks a lot better than when it's hand done. It is not bound to just a certain size or certain limitation of fields of cut that it can do. We can actually design it to do custom signage. We can actually tell it to cut odd shapes into an enclosure that you cannot do by hand without having that crooked look. And then our third reason was the actual profitability in the products and the amount of labor savings that were on there, as well as the overall construction timeframes being shrunk. With the ModCenter 293, we actually found that on projects that had a large concentration of 30mm knockouts, we were able to take our labor times from being a 0.7 to a 0.8, all the way down to a 0.3 to 0.4. Some of the advantages that the customers are going to see by Walker Industrial having the ModCenter 293 is the quality of the product that they're going to get. The partnership that's been able to be developed between Hoffman and Walker Industrial with the ModCenter 293 is going to take us in new directions that we didn't even think were possible when we were manually doing knockouts and when we were actually doing manual modifications on Hoffman products.